Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks, and I would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. It is 42 proof, and it's a product of Sazerac Company out of Louisville, Kentucky. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. And I'm going to top it off with this new Sprite plus tea. One of the only issues that I have with this Sprite plus tea is if you look at that really fast, it looks like Sprite Flea. I don't know if that was just a marketing error, but that's what that looks like to me. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Larry Wood. Larry passed away on June 6, 2025 at the age of 75. He served in the Marine Corps with combat during the Vietnam War. He called Iowa home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, Sprite, lemon lime, lime rum, add some tea to it. This is fantastic. But I'm going to give this a 9.5 out of 10. Overall, it is not a bad drink. I would recommend this one. If you don't like the Sprite with tea, mix it with this. It may be better for you. I have more videos to come. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day. Larry, may you rest in peace. Solid.